And we are back with the while loop. So in while loop, you test a condition. Until that test conditions holds true, you repeat the task always. Two things. Most of the time, you have to start that test condition. Don't get caught in infinite loop, otherwise the task will never be over. Very important. It is a good idea at this moment to locate the stop button on top of this page. The black filled square button. If you ever need to stop a program, just press that. So this is your friend when you are using loop. I'm going to circle it for you. Let's just use this one. Okay, not a good one, but let's just try this. Circle. Right? So this is your friend when you are using loop. Let's see. So that is the stop button at the top of this page, the black filled square button. If you ever need to stop a program, just press that. Just press this for a program to stop, interrupt the kernel. Let us see how to use while loop to achieve the same task that we did it with for loop. Current number is equals to 90, while current number is less than equals to 100. Print current number square, current number cube. Current number plus equals to 1. This is the most important line in while loop. You need to increase or decrease the test value. So this is what you're going to get as an output. Try it out. As you can see, we achieve the same output as for loop. First line in the verb program initializes the test condition. Second line starts the while loop and checks if the test condition is passed. Third line does the computation. In practice, it can be many lines. The last line changes the test condition. You must ensure this is done. Very important. In this case, we increased by 1, but we could have increased or decreased by any value we wish. Please note, this is the most important line if you want the while loop to stop and behave correctly. Also, please note that from third line onwards, the code is shifted to right by a tab. This shows that line 3 and 4 are part of while loop. Do you see this? Third and the fourth are shifted to the right. So this is a part of the while loop. Very important. Now consider this. Let us break the while loop. Intentionally we want to break it. Make sure you have located the stop button in this page, since you're going to need it. Before you run the program, know what is going to happen below. While loop starts, but the fourth line is shifted to left by a tab. That means that fourth line is no longer a part of the while loop. Right? The moment I shift it to the left, it is no longer a part of this while loop. So you see this here? It's no longer a part of this loop because it's shifted to the left. That in turn means that current number never increases and is always stuck at 90 forever. It will keep printing the same value again and again. Please watch out for this kind of mistakes. It is very easy to make this kind of mistake. Take time to understand. See, it's just repeating and repeating and repeating and repeating. It's in that loop. We say it, right? You are in that loop. Same thing. We are thinking about the same thing. Now your turn. Print the table of 19 as shown below using for loop and method 1. For I in range 1, 11, 1. That means I want to print the table for 19 starting from 1 ending at 10 minus 1 of 11 and at an interval of 1. So what I am doing is I am trying, this is how it will be executed. 19 into, I have put them in quotation, comma I, comma equals to in quotation, comma 19 asterisk I. Try it out, because unless and until you do it, you wouldn't understand. Similarly, there is another method. Instead of giving 1, 11, 1, I have given all the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now coming to another one. Same table, nothing changes. Current number is 1, while current number is less than or equals to 10. Print 19, current number equals to, comma, current number multiplied by 19. Now this is a difficult one. If you see out of the 3 methods, this is the most difficult one. Current number plus equals to 1. This is a very important line, otherwise you'll be stuck in the loop forever. Whichever whichever method you deem suitable for your understanding or you find easy, choose that. We have given couple of different ways of doing the same thing again and again. Using for loop method 1 and while loop, add 4 to every number between 2005 to 2100 in steps of 5. What am I doing? For I in range 2005, comma 2101, that because it will stop at 1 minus, right? So I have to give the command for 1 plus, comma 5. Print I plus 4, because I'm adding plus 4. So this is how it will be printed. Right? Try it out. Very nice, very easy. Then comes the next one. Current is 2005, while current is less than equals to 2100. Print current plus 4, current plus equals to 5. Right? You must give this command for your loop to stop. Then comes quotient and remainder during division. If you divide 21 by 2, then the quotient will be 10 and remainder will be 1. If you divide 23 by 7, then the quotient will be 3 and the remainder will be 2. If you have to divide 23 by 7, then we can extract the quotient by saying 23 divisible by 7. We can extract the remainder by saying 23 divisible 7. So this is how we write it. Print 23 backward slash 7, and this is how the output is going to look like. Similarly, couple of examples have been given. You can execute them whenever you have some time and when you are going through the lecture. Same thing, just given in multiple times for your understanding, to get your fundamentals cleared, so that you get a good practice while you're listening to the lecture. My advice to you is pause, practice, listen, practice. Very important. Similarly, another example that I have given here. Please practice this, and I can assure you by my experience that I have had in the past that you are going to absolutely enjoy these exercises that have been given in the class, in the video. I often mention class because I miss my college at this time, but here it is going to be a virtual class. So please do it when you have some time. So now the good news is you are ready for the next and final pillar of Python programming, which are functions and classes. Alright, so we stop here and we come back.